show you how to shuffle. Yeah. I'm Metal Muncher. Yeah, you guys know. I'm going to be just showing you basic moves, how to master it. Yeah. And basically, we're doing it in this flat floor area. I'm doing it with socks, so it can be a little bit more slipperier, and easier to do. So basically, guys, what I'm going to show you is the first steps to do the running man. The running man is just basically the basic move of the feet just moving forward like this. And the first step you have to do is set your foot on the floor, of course, and slide this right foot, or whichever one you want, to the back, but at the same time, lift your other foot to the top like this. So you're going to be like this, and then in the second move, you slide it once more, but set the other one on the ground. So it's going to be a constant movement, and then do the next one. Just 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. After you do that lots of times, you'll be knowing that it will get easier and easier, and you'll be able to, like, move faster, and basically just that. And other moves I would want you guys to try would be the side step, I would call it. It's just moving one up. This one's a little bit harder since there's a little bit more foot action. You have to get one foot and kind of zigzag it a bit like that. Just go like that. But at the same time as you're doing that, every time you rotate the foot one side or the other, you set the other foot down. So it's going to be a constant movement of this. And basically, all you have to do is just that, and it's basic movement. You'll be getting it in no time. It's easy as hell. And yeah, at the same time you can try some music on and then just